How to download songs on Spotify for offline listening. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how to download songs on Spotify for offline listening. First, open Spotify and log into your account. Click on the playlist you want to download. You'll find arrow-like option on top left corner of your screen. Click on that and your playlist will be downloaded. You can see green button, that means your playlist has been downloaded. You can turn the Wi-Fi off and play the songs offline. And that's how you download songs on Spotify for offline listening. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel. I hope this video was informational.